Hi, my name is Bedford, and as a former professional athlete and former world record holder, I know what it takes to stay fit. And now, as a mother of 2 young kids and a full-time professional in the corporate world, I can speak from personal experience about how challenging it is to try to find the time to eat right, exercise, and get enough sleep. In my life and in the lives of millions of Americans, there's a desperate need for change. I knew I needed to focus on being healthy, making good choices around exercise, but I was too focused on my career and family. As a culture, we need to move toward preventing disease versus managing it, which is what our healthcare system is about today. So I've done some research and I've found some disturbing statistics. The cost of healthcare just continues to rise. From 4.9% GDP in 1960 to 16.4% in 2011, our healthcare costs are predicted to reach 20% by 2020. Currently, the US spends more on healthcare than any other country in the world. Yet our healthcare system is ranked 37th, behind countries like Costa Rica, Colombia, even Greece. There are no indicators or measurements showing us that the overall health and well-being or fitness levels of Americans are improving. In fact, quite the opposite's true. The CDC estimates that over 75 million people in the US are obese. And obesity leads to other problems like diabetes, heart disease, and stroke. In America, heart disease is the #1 cause of death. Stroke is ranked as 5th. Our population is over 300 million, and more than 29 million people are diabetic. 86 million Americans over the age of 20 have pre-diabetes and often don't even know it. These numbers are staggering, and they're worsening by the day. The Weight Loss and Vitality Clinic addresses the underlying causes of disease, uses a refined process while engaging both patient and practitioner in a therapeutic partnership. This progressive medical approach specifically addresses healthcare needs of the 21st century by shifting the focus away from the American tradition of treating just the disease or the symptoms toward a more proactive approach centered around a unique patient-focused partnership that stops the disease before it even gets started. Weight Loss and Vitality addresses the whole person rather than just looking at an isolated lab test or a value or a symptom. The progressive treatment, individually tailored to each patient, exceeded all my expectations. In addition to this clinic location, Weight Loss and Vitality offered an expanded telemedicine platform which served me in a different state and serves patients not just in the DC metro area. Before my 40s, if I noticed I was gaining weight, I could just go out and exercise and I'd get back to where I needed to be. But the years crept by, a couple of pounds here, a couple of pounds there, and somehow, all of a sudden I was almost 30 pounds more than what I weighed when I was competing. My clothes didn't fit, I didn't feel comfortable in my own skin. Then I started Weight Loss and Vitality. Within 2 months, I lost 25 pounds. My energy, my sleep, my mental focus, everything was improved. The results? I fit in my clothes. I can do a pull-up, which I really was mad at not being able to do for a while. Now I've got the energy to go running, even if it's just after my kids. I've been telling everyone I work with about my experience here because it was so easy and I've been able to maintain it. I feel so much better about how I look, about the way everything fits. Weight Loss and Vitality gave me the ability to get back in control over what I ate, how I looked, and how I felt. If you're ready to make a change, improve your health, quality of life, and lose weight, then give Weight Loss and Vitality a try. This clinic is filled with amazing people who care. And Weight Loss and Vitality, it worked for me. It'll work for you.
If you are ready to find relief and make a change, try the Weight Loss and Vitality Clinic or the Weight Loss and Vitality Live Virtual Clinic. This unique, focused organization is effective in reversing chronic diseases, weight management, improving health and fitness, and improving your quality of life.